To remove this radio, you just got to pull this black surround off. So you could probably get a screwdriver up here, might make it easier, but yeah, you just got to lever that plastic trim off. And that's all that's got to happen, but I'm going to use two hands and try and work it out a bit. Alright, so yes, I used this one to get in there, two hands. It was a bit hard. Now it's just a matter of getting it out all the way. Get in a bit more up there. There are some, you can see it, there we go, 10mm. 10mm bolt on each corner. Undo those, the radio comes out. There you are.